Hi friends, this video shows how to replace the wrist strap of MetaQuest 3 controllers. See, this is a wrist strap of this controller. So I will show you how to take off this wrist strap, and if you have a new strap you can replace it. So first we have to find the location of battery cover. So this is a battery cover of this controller. So we have to take off this battery cover. MetaQuest has provided a button to release the battery cover. We can press this button and remove the battery cover. Let me press. So this way we can take off this battery cover. Then go to the bottom. Then we can remove this strap like this. This way we can remove this wrist strap. So if you want to insert, you can insert it like this. So if you have a new strap, first you remove this, take off the strap, then you can insert the new strap like this. Then we can close the battery cover. We can place this battery cover this list like this, then just push it, so we will hear a tick sound. Done. So this way we can replace the wrist strap of this MetaQuest 3 controller. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.